Gus hit this in 8:15. Ain't no way I can get him in the light. Get to him, Kane. Get him, Kane. Get him, boys. Get him out of there. I think I spooked it right here at the lane going back to the pond house. He made a big right-hand circle. Across where it came in, went right by the truck. Get him, boys! I got a split race. Jack's over here on the other side of the old dead pine tree. The rest of them are down at Simmons Overflow. Maybe they'll all get back together, I don't know. Right there goes the rabbit. I just walked up here. He come out right there. He was sitting right there and I didn't even see him. I was listening to Gus over there across the overflow creek. Get him, Gus. You're right on him, Gus. Get him, Gus. Gus, a little man. I can't believe I... Kane, come on up here. Get your head up. They're having a hard time running this rabbit. I don't know if it's a doe or what. I don't know which jump this is. It may be 8th one or 9th one. Get him, Gus. Get him, Abner. Get him out of there, boys. Where'd he go, Gus? Which way did he go? Get him, Gus. Get him, Gus. Get him, Kaner. Get him, Gus. Get him, old man. Get him, old man. Little man in Magwa's got it. Going out in the left end of the horseshoe. I need to get out of here.